Exercise 7.2, problem 9. Prove that C0 plus 2C1 plus 4C2 plus 8C3 plus so on 2 power n equals 2 power n Cn equals to 3 power n. Okay. See, we know that what is the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power n? We know that the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. 1 plus x whole power n is C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus C3 x power 3 plus so on Cn x power n. Cn x power n. Okay, here in the answer 3 is there, so here x is there. 1 plus something equals 3, that means put x equals to 3. Sorry, put x equals to 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Put x equal to 2 in the above expansion. X equal to 2 substituting ఏమవుతుంది 1 plus 2 whole power n equals to C0 plus C1 into 2, x equals to 2 plus C2 into 2 square plus C3 into 2 power 3, that means 2 cube plus so on Cn 2 power n. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3 power n equals to C0 plus C1 times 2 plus C2 times 2 square 4, 2 square 4 plus C3 2 power 3, right? 3 2 times, right? 2 3 times, so 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 plus so on Cn 2 power n. Write in a proper order. C0 plus C times of C1 times of 2 is 2C1 plus 4C2 plus 8C3 plus so on 2 power n Cn. This equals to 3 power n. So hence C0 plus 2C1 plus 4C2 plus 8C3 plus so on 2 power n Cn equals to 3 power n. Hence proved.